Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's For a Living here, and thanks for watching my videos and doing a little jacket repair here. So inside the pocket, a hole is worn in this jacket right here, and some holes, so I'm going to fix that. So stick my hand through, there they are, poking through. So the way we're going to fix it is with an iron-on patch. So there's the side that irons on, and we'll cut a couple of pieces of this. So you want to get me the scissors, and you can take the camera. Okay, so, and I got the iron sitting here warming up too, on a pretty hot setting, and I don't have any steam. Of course, these type of patches you buy come with instructions, so you should read those. And but I want to cover up that hole completely, so I'm going to kind of come down almost to the bottom of that. Come over to this side and making sure I get everything. I'll cut it there. And I'll just, let's see, halfway. Yep, that's going to cover all of it. The inside, okay, so we're going to use this piece on the outside. I'm going to round these corners off. They're less likely to pull off if you over time. Okay, so I'll do that, and then the inside can't go down as far because the hole is like right at the edge down there, so it doesn't quite need to be as big. But I'm gonna round off. So that I'm going to put in there like that. Well, it's going to be that way with glue side up against this hole. Okay. And the reason we have that there is so when we stick this down, the sticky will stick to the sticky and everything. So I'm going to go ahead. I don't want to get that sticky stuff on my iron, but I do want to try and get some of that patch to stick to the inside. I'm not sure if it'll stick to this particular type of fabric very well either. I don't know what, it's probably some kind of polyester or nylon. Yeah, it's starting to stick. I'm going to go up to the edge of that hole. Okay. Alright, so let me, yep, that's in there. And now we'll put this patch down over this. If you do get the adhesive on your iron, they make iron cleaner, which is really good. But you can also, you know, when it cools off, use some Goo Gone on it. I don't like to leave the iron in one place, especially because I got it on pretty high heat, and I don't know how it'll affect the, you know, some nylons or polyesters can melt a little bit. But because this is in a pocket, I can't sew it. If I was putting this on something that I could actually stitch on, I would do a stitch around the edge. But because this is a pocket, we can't stitch. You could do a hand stitch around it if you wanted to, just to secure it down a little bit. But I think that does it. And just make sure that all your edges are down and they're not poking up. But pocket's fixed. Thanks for watching.